Hello, Drax. I was waiting for you.
You know me?
Your brother told me a lot about you. I'm actually a great fan of you from your work in Moonlight. By the way, why did you stop composing?
So you must also have told you why I stopped composing. Isn't it? Well, I lost my hearing ability in an accident.
You should start composing again. That's what heroes do.
I still tried a lot to recover from it, and I failed a lot. For an artist like me, what do you think gives some satisfaction? Money? Pride? No. It's a sound of applause and cheer from the audience. But all I can hear only silence. Noise of silence.
So you accepted your loss? Hmm? You just gave up. You made your disability one over your passion? You made your insecurities one over your destiny? You made the empty noise to one over your dream? That's not what heroes do.
I'm no one's hero. My music is broken, just like me. And a perfect man without any disability who speaks stupid philosophy like you have no ideas what I'm going through inside me.
Well. I agree. Calm down. I think you forgot why you're here.
Sorry?
I mean, you're here to collect your brother's photo.
Are you blind?
Just like you, I've lost my vision in an accident.
And you are doing photography? It's nearly impossible.
Just my eyes are gone, not my hopes. I can't see the world, but I can feel it. With that, I can show his beauty to others, which I can't see. That's why I'm here. That's what heroes do. I'm a hero to myself. You can't listen to people, still, you can listen to the universe. It keeps on talking to you. Just listen. Remember, Drax, even when the age advances, even when the pain increases, even when the strength diminishes, a warrior never stops swinging his sword.